Ni hao and welcome back. Have you ever tossed and turned in bed for hours without being able to sleep? This episode is for you. So we'll do an 8-minute acupressure routine that will help you sleep restfully. Without further ado, let's get started. The first point is 百会, which means 100 hertz. This point is often used to treat head-related issues. There's a link here in case you'd like to check it out. It's the highest point in the middle of your head. Massage it with 2 fingertips or your thumb knuckle in gentle and slow circular motions for 1 minute. Second point is 印堂, which translates to spirit paradise. It's located right here in the middle of your eyebrow. First, we'll press it with your index finger. 2 seconds, and release, and repeat it for 1 minute. And now we'll massage this point by turning it clockwise for 1 minute. Now let's massage in-tongue point by turning it counterclockwise for 1 minute. Let's move on to the third point, 安眠, which literally means a peaceful dream. It's located on the midpoint of the line connecting your earlobe hollow and feng shui point. Feng shui or wind pool was introduced into episodes for stopping dizziness, in case you would like to check it out. As you can see, this Amian point is located in the light hollow beside the tip of the bony part behind your ear. Massage the two Amian points together for 1 minute. The last point is Yongquan, which means a gushing spring. It's an essential point on the kidney meridian. Stimulating this point will make you feel grounded. And it's located on the bottom of your feet. It's located on this hollow area, which appears when the toes are curled. We'll massage it with your thumb in circular motions for 1 minute. Now let's do the other foot. Wow, I feel so calm and sleepy. How about you? Have a nice dream and see you next time.